Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to review this camping cot from Nictemaw. I'll show you how quickly and easily this cot can be set up, and then I'll go over the features as well. Here's what you receive when you order your camping cot. You have your easy to set up camping cot. Comes with a nice soft mattress pad and a vacuum sealed bag, and comes with this handy storage carrying bag. It also includes a set of instructions. To set up your camping cot, locate the buckle strap on the side, disconnect it, and just pull your cot apart. Then push down on both ends until it's fully collapsed. And if you need to, just press down on the foot part firmly until they lock into place. It takes less than 30 seconds to set up your cot. If you choose to use the included pad, simply lay it on top, locate the little built-in flap on the pillow side, wrap it over the top, and find the strap located at the foot side and install that over the end. This pad will add 3 inches of comfort to the top of your cot. This cot measures 75 inches long, is 26 inches wide, and stands 14 inches tall. You can use this cot with or without the included camping pad. It features an ergonomic built-in pillow. Features a double layer 1200D Oxford cloth, allowing it to be able to support up to 900 pounds. And all your seams will be double stitched. The legs are made of a 25mm square steel, giving it added durability and support. The base of the legs are made of a high density non-slip plastic, and it has this nice handy storage pouch on the side. With its ergonomic design and included camping pad, this is one of the most comfortable cots I've laid on so far. At the end of the day, when you're finished using your cot, closing this cot back up for storage is just as easy as opening it up. Just grab the two ends, pull it together, squeeze it tight, locate the buckles, wrap them around, and just clip them together. Place your cot inside of the included storage bag. Pull the drawstring tight, and it's packed away nicely and ready for storage until you're ready to use it again next time. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you ever do a lot of tent camping or have guests come over and you need an extra place for them to sleep, this cot is the perfect solution. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.